In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to Starred on Google Drive, whether you're working on multiple projects or simply want to keep important files easily accessible. Starring files on Google Drive is a fantastic way to keep your digital workspace organized. It's a small but powerful feature that can make navigating your drive a breeze. So let's dive right in and take you through the simple steps to star your files efficiently. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can simply type in drive.google.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials to access your drive. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page, which is often referred to as My Drive. Now take a moment to look through your documents and find the file you want to add to your starred section. This could be a recent project, an important document, or anything you'd like quick access to in the future. Once you've identified the file, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice that a small star icon will appear on the right hand side of the file name. This star is the key to marking your file as important. Go ahead and click on that star icon. Instantly you'll see the star change color, indicating that it's now added to your starred files. This feature acts like a bookmark of sorts, allowing you to quickly locate and retrieve your file whenever you need it. The great part about this is simplicity. There's no need to move the file or make a copy, it's just marked as a priority right where it is. After starring your file, you might want to locate all your starred items. For this, look at the left hand side of your Google Drive interface where you'll find a panel with various menu options. Click on Starred and there you have it. Every file you've deemed important will be neatly organized in this section. It's just as simple to remove the star if you ever decide a file no longer needs this designation. Just hover over the file again, click the star icon, and it will return to its original state. It's a flexible tool letting you manage your files dynamically as your needs change. Starring files in Google Drive is incredibly useful for staying organized, especially if you handle multiple tasks. By following these easy steps, you can prioritize and manage your documents more effectively. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital workspace.